So let's talk about fire extinguishers. Portable fire extinguishers have different classifications. Now, fire extinguishers are labeled using a lettering system to help you effectively combat different types of fuels. For an example, there is A, which is ordinary combustibles, B, which is flammable liquids, C, which is electrical equipment, D, which is combustible metals, and K, which is combustible cooking. The fire classification system establishes the basis for determining the appropriate extinguishing agents. These agents include water, foam, carbon dioxide, dry chemical, wet chemical, dry powder, halon, and other cleaning agents. Selecting a specific lettering extinguisher will provide you with the expected extinguishing agent. For an example, a Class A extinguisher will carry water, foam, or dry chemical. A Class B extinguisher will carry foam, carbon dioxide, dry chemical, halon, and clean agents. Class C extinguishers carry water, carbon dioxide, dry chemical, halon, and clean agents. Class D extinguishers carry dry powder. Last but not least, Class K extinguishers carry wet chemicals. Fire extinguishers are further classified using a number rating. The number rating expresses how much fire the extinguisher should be able to handle based on testing criteria. For an example, Class A indoor fire test ratings go from 1A, 2A, 3A, 4A, 6A, 10A, 20A, all the way up to 30 and 40. The difference is 1 through 20 is for indoor test ratings and 30 and 40 is for outdoor. If you'd like to calculate your extinguisher's ability to extinguish a certain amount of hazard, the rating will help you identify through a calculation if you have the appropriate extinguisher for your size hazard. For example, a 2A extinguisher can be multiplied times 1.25 to give you an estimation of its ability to take 2.5 or 2.5 gallons of hazard. Class B extinguishers also have a test rating. 1B, 2B, 5B, 10B, and 20B are for indoor. 30B, 40B, 60B, 120, 160, 240, 320, 480, and 640B are all outdoor. The Class B extinguisher number represents the square foot pan of flammable liquid it is capable of extinguishing. So let's talk about inspection and placement of portable extinguishers. Now, Nfpa 10 outlines the minimum inspection, testing, and maintenance for fire extinguishers. The visual inspection ensures proper extinguisher placement. Proper placement ensures that extinguishers are visible and accessible in a normal path of exit travel. The extinguisher placed should be the proper type and rating for the potential hazard. Visual inspection should be every 30 days and will include inspection of physical damage, working components, gauge pressure or weight, documentation or electrical monitoring, fire extinguisher operation and use. Now, using a fire extinguisher does not have to be difficult. There is a simple acronym called PASS, P-A-S-S. And what it does is it allows you to go through a system to use the extinguisher properly. P stands for pull. You pull the pin. A is to aim the nozzle. S is to squeeze the handle. And the second S is to sweep at the base of the fire. Let's go over maintenance and testing. Now, rechargeable extinguishers require examination at either 1, 3, 5, or 6-year intervals and should be examined for external corrosion, physical damage, and missing parts. If a problem is revealed during the inspection, the inspector needs to determine if the extinguisher is repairable, if it needs additional testing, or if it should be discarded. Further maintenance would include emptying the extinguisher, internal inspections, cleaning, recharging, replacing agents, replacing parts, and conductivity tests. This concludes today's presentation, and this link provides a video of this lesson in its entirety to help you understand how the topics we spoke about can be put together to make portable extinguishers more effective. Thank you and enjoy.